Here we have a 2004 Ford long door, stainless steel bulkhead and valances. Being a long door car, there was 114 changes carried out between this and the previous model from 1990 up to 1997. This has got chrome wire wheels, bumpers, fog lights, radio CD, stainless steel mirrors on the outside, hood swivel pins, spare wheel cover, Walnut Dashboard, Moto-lita wheel, door check straps, stumpy 5-speed gear lever which gives it a nice feel when you're changing gear. Finished in Corsa red with the black leather piped red, gleaming in the sunlight as you can see here. Nice little chrome fog light and reverse lights have been added. Done 28,000 miles. Low ownership with a pretty good history. We've just taken it in as a part exchange. It's a lovely little example of a 4.4. Bodywork is really good, and yeah, a little bright, lovely sports car. Want to view? 01234 750 205, or feel free to contact us via the website. Thank you for viewing.